If you're a Poco X7 user and tired of screen burn-in, you need these top tips. Screen burn-in on your Poco X7 can be a real eyesore. While there's no magic fix, you can definitely minimize its appearance. First, lower that screen brightness. This simple adjustment can really help. Next, switch to dark themes in your apps and system settings. This reduces the intensity of those constantly lit pixels. Enable adaptive brightness. Your phone will automatically adjust brightness based on ambient light, preventing prolonged high brightness. Change to on-screen gestures instead of static navigation buttons. This can significantly reduce pixel fatigue. Periodically cycle through different colors. Try displaying a full-screen white or black image for a short time to exercise your pixels. And avoid static images. Minimize the time spent with static elements on the screen. If the burn-in is severe, contact Poco support for repair options and check your warranty. Alright, now you're armed with the best tips to tackle screen burn-in on your Poco X7.